Luigi Mangione, the man accused of killing UnitedHealthCare CEO Brian Thompson, could be seeking a lighter sentence. The 28-year-old is expected in court today for a special hearing that was scheduled on short notice. CBS News' Jared Hill has the latest.
Today, Luigi Mangione could be walking into federal court to strike a plea. This, one of two cases over the brazen sidewalk shooting death of UnitedHealthCare CEO Brian Thompson in December of 2024. Mangione faces 2 federal counts of stalking resulting in death, with a possible sentence of life in prison. He pleaded not guilty, but sources tell CBS News the 28-year-old attorneys have been in talks with federal prosecutors about making a change.
What he could be aiming for in this plea agreement is perhaps the government arguing for some type of lesser sentence.
CBS News legal analyst Caroline Polisi says while the evidence against Mangione may be strong, prosecutors could be looking to avoid a potentially tainted jury, as Mangione's built a cult following.
In this case in particular, you have a raised possibility of what we call juror nullification, wherein a jury gets seated and there's someone in there that just, regardless of hearing any of the evidence, is never going to vote to convict Luigi Mangione.
The federal hearing comes just weeks before Mangione's New York State murder trial. Legal experts say his lawyers could argue copping a plea in the federal case opens up a double jeopardy discussion.
New York basically says the general rule is you cannot prosecute an individual twice for the same set of conduct.
But legal contributor Jessica Levinson says with the federal charges focused on stalking and the state on murder, state prosecutors would likely push back. Jared Hill, CBS News.